This is the paralegal guide to using PDFs in the office. Exercise number 4, PDF editing. What we're going to do is download the data file. I've already printed off the exercise instructions. It's going to automatically open up in Word. So I'm going to click on OK. Word opens up. And this is our file that we want to work with. We're going to click on Enable Editing. And then we're going to save this as a PDF file because we want to go back later and actually edit the PDF file. We want to do the editing in Adobe Acrobat instead of Word. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, go to the folder in which I want to save my information, go to the file where I want to save my information. I want to give it a name with my initials. Now, here's my name. Most importantly, I want to come here and I want to tell Word that I want to save this as a PDF file, not as a Word document, but as a PDF document. And then I'm going to click on the Save button. Now, when I click on the Save button, Adobe Acrobat Professional will automatically open up. And as you can see, we're in Adobe Acrobat Professional right now. Now that we're in Adobe Acrobat, we want to be able to edit in Adobe Acrobat Professional. You can only edit in Professional. You cannot edit in Reader. So we're going to go up here to Edit. Come down here to Edit Text and Images. And what's going to happen is Adobe Acrobat is going to put text boxes around all the text that's in the document. And now we want to do a find because we want to find the name that we want to change, and we're going to replace it with another name. So basically we're going back to Edit. We're coming down to Find, and we click on Find. And basically we're going to put in John Carlisle, all caps. Okay. And we want to replace John Carlisle with the new name and we're going to put our initials on the end because this is our way of recognizing the fact that we're the one, this is our document and this is what the changes, these are the changes that we have made. So we want to click on Find Next, we want to click on Next, and then we're going to click on Replace. We're going to click on Next, and then we're going to click on Replace. We're going to click on Next, and we'll click on Replace, and then we're going to click on Next, and we're going to click on Replace again, do another Next. It's telling us we're finished with the whole document. All the matches have been found. We're going to click on OK, and then we're going to close our document. And what we're going to do is now we definitely want to save it again, and this time we just want to click on the save icon here. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to change the name Melissa. in the document Melissa Greenwood to John Hancock. So that's what we want to do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to do Control Home to get me at the top of my document. So I'm at the top of my document. I'm going to edit again, come down to Find. What am I looking for? I'm getting rid of John Carlisle, and I'm going to type in Melissa Greenwood, and I want to replace Melissa Greenwood, the name Melissa Greenwood, with John Hancock. And again, my initials are here to indicate that this is my document. And then I'm going to do a next, click on next. There's Melissa name. I want to replace it with John Hancock. I'm going to click on next again. Find Melissa name, replace it. Click on next again. That's telling me that's it. I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to close this back up. And I also am going to do again Control Home. And we're still not through because we want to change some addresses. So I am just going to do a find on the address, and then I'm going to manually go in and change it. I'm not going to use the replace function. You can do that, but I just want to show you how easy it is to just go in and actually make the change manually. So I'm going to go here to edit again, come down to Find. And I'm just going to look for Willow Creek. I'm not going to replace it with anything, so I'm going to delete whatever I have in replacement. And then I'm going to get rid of the replacement screen. I'm going to collapse it. And then I'm going to click on my Find Next. There is Willow Creek. And the instructions ask me to change the 234 Willow Creek Drive to 432 Main Street. And that's what I'm going to do. So the text boxes are still here. I'm going to back out the information that's dealing with Willow Creek. And put that information in here. If I do another find next, it's going to tell me there's nothing else there. Okay, I have one more change. The defendant's address, I want to change it from Seabrook, from a 4-digit Seabrook address to a 3-digit Seabrook address. But first I got to find Seabrook. So here we go. I'm going to go and find what? Get rid of Willow Creek. Type in Seabrook. Click on the next button. There it is. And instructions tell me to change it from 6789 to just 678 Seabrook. Everything else stays the same. And I'm going to close it. I'm going to save my document here. And if I close it, come back here, open it up, I should be back in the same mode before, but guess what? All my changes are here. Address changes, name changes, everything is in order. And I want to print my document.